The face of this speedometer is cracked. It's not a high quality piece. It's made by a colleague of mine, and as you can see, you can break it in two quite easily. If I compare it to mine, I could virtually bend it, but it won't break. You can take it in every direction, it won't break. It's very tough material, and this is how it should be. My colleague hasn't used the right materials. And also the voltmeter, you can see the thickness of my dials are spot on. They're the same thickness. And the one of a colleague of mine, that's it's a bit thicker, so it's not quite the original. It's also not the same look and feel. And you can compare it to mine. It's way nicer than the one that's on the left. And I can't do this to mine because mine is virtually unbreakable. I can bend it, but it won't break. Luckily for the customer, I was able to save his instruments, and now they look way better than they did before. So, lesson learned, don't go for cheap.